Hey, what's up, people? Welcome to Riding on Ruby. Well, do you ever remember hearing that commercial, "What's in your wallet?" Well, this video is "What's in your saddlebag?" So I thought I'd just go over some of the stuff that I had in my saddlebag. So here's the saddlebags. I'll see if I could put a description, the link for the saddlebags install. I got a crazy deal on them. They're throwover. I'll put that at the end of the video. And I got my little fork bag. I got that when I ended up buying the bike from the dealer new. Alright, so in the front fork bag, this is what I have. Some extra zip ties, some electrical tape, a small, tire pressure gauge, but, you can't really get into some of the areas, especially the back tire. And then I got this little puck in case, I'm going to go somewhere just like the one right there. And then I got the two things with my battery, the lights. So in case the bulbs go out, I know what bulbs to get. So that was in the fork bag. And then in the left side of the bike, I have some extra bungee cords. This right here is the disc brake alarm and the cord that goes with it. This is the better gauge where it's, swivels and you can get it on there. There's my kitty cat digging up furniture. And an extra bungee cord. And then in the right side saddlebag, I have this magnetic tank bag, which I haven't used, but that'd be good to put the phone in case I got to use GPS or whatever. And of course, your little like knife style metric and standard Allen keys. I thought I had a star one too, but I don't know, I guess not. And then I keep like a little raincoat in the right one as well. So that's what I keep in there. I'm just curious about what other people have in there. The bags really aren't that big. So as you can see, there's no way I could put like a gallon of milk in there. And of course, when I edit this, I gotta turn up the light or the white balance or whatever. But I could easily put in like a half gallon of milk or 2 half gallons in there. So if I'm on a bike and I all of a sudden remember, oh man, I forgot I need milk. I can't get the gallon, but hey, I could get a half gallon or 2 and, pop them in the saddlebag, and at least that'll hold me over until I jump in the car and go get a gallon or whatever. So I'm just curious about what people, are carrying in their bags as like backup and emergency stuff. I'm planning on buying one of those tire repair kits, with the little thing you poke in and out and the patches and the little goop and all that. I'm thinking about that. This right here, brand new pack of batteries I picked up, so I could put that on my alarm, my motion sensor alarm that's right here that you can't see that either. I guess I'm not making very good videos when I'm doing stuff like this. But, I mean, that's it. I just thought I'd do a little mini video. And, hi, kitty. That's Jasper. He's like 16 years old. And I thought I'd just do a little video and just out of curiosity. I'm wondering maybe there's some stuff in there that I should be carrying too. I got some room in there, and the tire kit, I'll get that and I'll add it. Hopefully Ruby will be out in about 2 weeks. But we got to see as far as the soft grass in the backyard and as far as, the temperatures and if we're going to have any more snow or not. So we just don't know at this time of the year. But see, Tuesday the 19th of March is the first day of spring. So let's hope it's really going to be here. All right, people, just a little quick one just to say hi, let you know I'm still alive, and things are going on. I'm going to be cleaning Ruby up. I got to hook up the electrical into the shed and the alarms, rearrange everything. So maybe next weekend I'll do that and see if we could get her ready. So on the spur of the moment, we could roll her out, go down the wheelchair ramp, and off we go. All right, people. As usual, be safe. Don't forget to like, subscribe to Riding on Ruby, and leave a comment because I want to know what's in your saddlebags. And I know a lot of you guys with the baggers have a lot more room. You could easily put a gallon of milk in there, but I'm curious, what do you carry? I mean, I have AAA. If worst came to worst, they'd still come and pick the bike up, but, I just don't trust that. I rather have stuff with me. But I should throw in like an adjustable wrench and maybe a flathead and Phillips screwdriver or something. I think I got a little small kit that comes with a handle and it has all the interchangeable heads, so something like that might fit in the saddlebag a lot easier. All right, once again, peace out, people. Stay safe. See you in the next video. Peace.